You don't know. But most men leave miserable lives while others experience the highest quality of life. Pay attention. There are no excuses for those who fail. We all share the same humanity and the same 24 hours each day. So what creates such a stark difference? The answer lies in habits. The small actions you take daily define the man you become. Unfortunately, many of us adopt habits and routines unconsciously, falling into behavior patterns that hinder our growth and stop us from becoming who we aspire to be. Society programs you to work, consume, and eventually perish like a drone. But if you are reading this, it's evident you are not average and seek self-improvement. So be it. These are the habits that every man should have in his life. Habit 1. Control of your everyday mornings. Every morning presents two options: continue dreaming or wake up and pursue your goals. Most people choose to keep dreaming, and when they finally wake up, they grab their phone and start watching others live their lives. This is the mindset of a loser. I urge you to spend the first 2 hours of your day focusing on yourself. Dedicate this time to activities that will enhance your life, such as working out, reading, journaling, or working on a side hustle. Mornings are the optimal time to focus on your personal development and objectives. Accomplishing the most challenging task early in the day will make the rest of the day feel effortless. Begin your morning with the drive of a hungry beast determined to overcome any obstacle to achieve his goals. Use this time to build momentum and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Habit 2. Take control of your availability. If you are always available to everyone, you are not a man with a purpose but a pushover. Stop being easily accessible to people who don't prioritize you. You can't become a high-value man if everyone can take up your time whenever they want. By managing your time better, not only will you get closer to your goals, but people will also start to respect you more. Think about this. The sun is most appreciated when it's been absent. The longer the rainy days, the more the sun is desired. But too many hot days, and the sun becomes overwhelming. If you live where it's always sunny, it's easy to take it for granted. Don't just pretend to be unavailable. Make sure you're not available all the time because you value your time and your mission. Make your time count, and people will respect you more for it. Habit 3. Be decisive. In the realm of achievement, decisive action distinguishes high-performing men from those who falter. While indecisive individuals linger in analysis, those who act decisively seize opportunities and adapt swiftly. This quality confers a distinct advantage. Decisiveness is not merely about making the right call every time. It's about having the courage to commit to a course of action and adjust course as necessary. Even if initial decisions prove flawed, decisive individuals possess the resilience to pivot and progress. To embody the essence of a high-value man, recognize the axiom: knowledge empowers, but excessive information can ensnare. Instead of drowning in analysis paralysis, gather sufficient information to make an informed decision and then proceed with conviction. A resolute decision, even if imperfect, carries more weight than vacillation. Refrain from dwelling on past choices unless compelling new insights demand reconsideration. Swift decision-making is a hallmark of effective leadership. Most decisions can be made promptly without sacrificing thoroughness. The path to enhancing decision-making prowess lies in accumulating experiences, embracing both successes and failures as learning opportunities. Action breeds confidence and refinement in judgment, far more than perpetual rumination ever could. Habit 4. Do the right sacrifices. Sacrifices are inevitable. Whether you like it or not, they are a part of life. If you aren't willing to sacrifice for your dream, then your dream will become the sacrifice. You might think that playing video games late into the night isn't a big deal, but in reality, you're sacrificing your potential. High-value men understand the importance of making the right sacrifices. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life, but you may need to put aside certain hobbies temporarily until you achieve your goals. Here's the truth. Low-tier men seek instant gratification. Be honest with yourself. Are there things you should be sacrificing but aren't? Perhaps you need to distance yourself from friends who aren't progressing. Or maybe you spend too much time partying or scrolling through social media. Remember, sacrifices are meant to be challenging, especially for young men who don't want to miss out on fun. However, that fun will feel hollow in the long run if it costs you your potential. The time you spend on distractions could be used to become wealthier, stronger, and more successful. I've often said that life as a man is hard, and that's true. But there's another side to that coin. As a man, you have the potential to elevate yourself to the highest levels. You can reach a point where women desire you and men admire you. Make sure you make the right sacrifices to achieve that. Habit 5. Be disciplined. Mike Tyson said or quoted, Discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. You are nobody without discipline. Every habit discussed so far becomes worthless if you lack discipline. Everyone understands the importance of discipline, yet many people still fail to maintain it. You might think this is obvious, but knowing about discipline and actually practicing it are two different things. Be honest with yourself. Do you lack discipline in certain areas of your life? How would you rate your discipline on a scale of 1 to 10? The good news is that anyone can develop this skill, and it's quite simple. Start by doing things every day that you know you need to do, whether you feel like it or not. Get out of bed when you wake up instead of lingering. Go to the gym and don't shy away from a cold shower. Self-discipline keeps you focused on your goals and in control of your reactions to any situation. It's like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. A lack of self-discipline can lead to low self-esteem. You can't reach the highest levels of success with low self-esteem. On the contrary, others will see you as an easy target if you lack confidence. Build your discipline daily and combat your inner weaknesses. This is the only way to ensure all your other habits work effectively. Good luck. By the way, my friend, can you include this channel to your journey? Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.